Alright guys, welcome back to Hunting Cars Online on the Combustion Guys YouTube channel, and today we get to go hunting the new Dodge Hornet. Let's go. Alright guys, so currently we got the GT, GT Plus, and GT Hornet all-wheel drive. Those are the options that we currently have. Leasing prices, not showing a whole lot, but if you're leasing it for 36 months, $471, $494, or I think it's like $449 here is the current offer for 36 months. Or you can buy it, and that's going to be for 60 months, $580, $670, and $444, but that's not really showing me what the buy price is, but those are your options on that so far. Prices starting with the GT, we're starting out at $31,830. So currently we've got the cue ball exterior paint, interesting name. We also got the gold exterior there, the hot tamale exterior, nice name. Blue Bayou, looks really good. The blue steel looks nice. Gray cray exterior. Say that fast. And then we got the 8-ball exterior paint. I'm gonna go with the blue Bayou because that just stands out to me. We got the 17-inch by 7.0-inch silver aluminum wheels. We also got the 18s by 7.5s, so we can add that. We got the all-season tires, etc. Compact tire. Go ahead and add that. We got cloth leather seats there. We can get the update to the Uconnect 5 with 10.5 25-inch touchscreen. Don't really need that. The GT blacktop package, that's $19.95 offer there, so that gets you the Dodge Hornet badge, so everything's all nice and blacked out, so that's good. The tech pack without parallel and perp park assist, that's going to be adding you the active driving assist system, drowsy driver detection, intelligent speed assist, park sense, and surround view camera system. Definitely don't need that. The cold weather group, that's going to get you the heated front seats, heated steering wheel, and remote start system, which you only need if you're not in Florida for the most part. So luckily we're good on that. Looking at the engine specs here, we got the 2.0 direct inject turbo 4-cylinder. That's going to be what's coming standard. Doesn't really show us anything on horsepower, and I haven't really heard any info on that, but it does exist, I'm sure. Let's see here. Yeah, nothing on the horsepower, but we do have the 9-speed automatic transmission, which comes with that. Let's see here. Yep, not a whole lot of information on that either, but 9-speed is what you got. So with the options that I did, that's going to get you $34,670 as the net price. So that's just the base Dodge Hornet model there, I think. That's what it's supposed to be. So that's just the base GT. Let's go to the GT Plus. So it's showing us, keeps showing us the all-wheel drive. So I'm guessing it is all-wheel drive. I'm not totally sure what it's showing me here then. I'm guessing they're just adding that on because apparently they don't have it on just the model name being all-wheel drive. So it must be that it's all-wheel drive. I'm pretty sure it was all-wheel drive all the time was my thought, but yeah, there's just no confusing there. Anyways, same colors once again. Of course, we'll go with the blue. We'll go with the black wheels, which adds on the black top package. We'll get ourselves a spare tire. We do have black leather seats available now. So you can take a 360 view here. So there's your leather seats right there. Looks good. We can also upgrade to the red seats. See what that looks like. Ooh, looks pretty good in there. Alright, so nice. So red leather, we'll go ahead and leave that. That's an added $500 package there. We got the tech assist once again. Not needed, not necessary, and comes standard with the Hurricane 4 engine, so that comes standard. So getting this updated version with the leather, same options for the most part as last time. That's going to get you $40,165 there, so go ahead and round that up to probably 42 probably, depending on what your dealer fees are and whatnot. So it's probably going to be much higher than that, but just go ahead and round up stuff. They're showing you is just two trims at the moment. There's supposed to be a third trim later on, but yeah, just two trims currently out right now, the GT and the GT Plus. So currently your prices there are about, add that right there, add that right there, thank you, add that right there. Go ahead and add, we'll add the weather package there. That's going to put you at $35,000 just on the base model. We go to this model over here, get the added paint option. We go ahead and get the added wheels because we want to go ahead and get our compact tire. Upgrade to the red leather interior. That's going to put you at $40,165. So that's your prices right there. So honestly, if you're gonna get one of these, why not have the leather seats, I guess. Obviously you can go a little bit cheaper by just going with the black leather, but honestly at that point, just why not have the leather instead of doing the cloth. But if you need the cloth, that will work out too for a pretty decent price. So not bad. It's a nice looking vehicle. Definitely like it. It looks pretty good with either wheel option, but I mean obviously the blackout package is the best, honestly. Looks good in the red, looks good in the what is this, the blue steel. We got the gray, of course. Yeah, it looks good all the way around there in the blackout package. So nice, like that. So anyways, that is our quick build and hunt through today of Dodge Hornet, and it looks pretty good. So anyways guys, thanks for watching. Make sure to hit that like and subscribe button, and we'll see you guys here next time on the Combustion Guys. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.